Finishing off CNC group break number 5418 with the 1415 Upper Deck The Cup. All right, base card number to 249 for the Boston Bruins, Ray Bourque. We've got a 3-color rookie patch auto number to 249 for the Colorado Avalanche, Dennis Everberg. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. We've got a 2-color exquisite rookie patch auto numbered 41 of 53 for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. 41 of 53 for the Canucks, Bo Horvat, exquisite rookie patch auto. We've got an enshrinement auto number to 99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Tom Barrasso. We've got a rookie autograph number to 249 for the Dallas Stars, Patrick Nemeth. And we've got a technically 4-color 13-14 limited logos, numbered 43 of 50 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Murray. 43 of 50 for the Jackets, Ryan Murray. So there we go, boys and girls, children of all ages. Multi-randoms coming up next.